Hello. Yeah. We come to visit you today. Yeah. You see there's another one just sitting there, relaxing. Way up there. Look at that. That one's just relaxing. Still see some spots. And then this one here. Just chilling out.
There's one way over there in that little house thing too.
Oh, there's another one out there too. Whoops, the other one's getting up.
Bless you.
Oh, a little bit of a sneeze? Yeah. Are you? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's taking off. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Hi, how are you? Yeah, beautiful, dear. Yeah. Oh, we can smell Kara. Ah. Hi. Smile for the camera.